Next, we will go over how to change the template. Do you have a selected layout and you want to change it? Don't worry, it's easy. I have this layout now. And let's click on this menu and click on Templates. We can see there's many layouts, but there's even more. Just click on Landing Pages and choose Extra Landing Pages. Boom! More and more. You can choose the one you like. And as we can see in the pop-up 2 options, the first is to replace the layout and all the content we have to the new one, or add the new layout under the one we have, which means you will have 2 layouts in the same page. Let's click on Replace Existing Layout. As we can see, there's this warning message, and it means that you will lose everything you have done in your layout, such as text and design. If you agree, just click on OK. Congratulations! You have a brand new layout now. Are you guys starting to see just how easy this all is?